Let's dive into the difference between the present perfect tense and the simple past tense. These two tenses can be tricky, but once you understand their nuances, you'll be using them like a pro. First, let's talk about the simple past tense. This tense is used to describe actions that happened at a specific point in the past. Think of it as a snapshot of a completed action. For example, if I say, I visited Paris last summer, I'm referring to a specific time when that action occurred. It's clear, direct, and leaves no room for ambiguity. The action is done, and I'm not looking back at it anymore. Now, let's shift gears to the present perfect tense. This one is a bit more complex because it connects the past to the present. We use the present perfect to talk about experiences or actions that have relevance to the current moment. For instance, if I say, I have visited Paris, I'm not just stating a fact about my past. I'm implying that this experience has some significance to my present. Maybe I'm discussing travel plans, or perhaps I'm sharing my insights about the city. The focus is on the experience itself rather than when it happened. Another key difference is how we use time indicators. With the simple past, you'll often see specific time markers like yesterday, last year, or in 2010. For example, I graduated from college in 2015. It's straightforward. In contrast, the present perfect doesn't usually specify when something happened. Instead, it might use phrases like ever, never, just, or already. For instance, I have never been to Japan doesn't tell you when I missed that trip. It simply highlights that it hasn't happened yet. Let's consider another example to clarify. If I say, I broke my leg, that's a simple past statement. It tells you that the action is complete and it happened at a specific time. But if I say, I have broken my leg, it suggests that the experience of breaking my leg is still relevant now. Maybe I'm talking about how it affects my current activities or my ability to play sports. So, when do you use each tense? Use the simple past when you're talking about a completed action that occurred at a definite time in the past. Use the present perfect when you want to emphasize the connection between past experiences and the present moment. In summary, the simple past is your go-to for actions that are done and dusted, while the present perfect is perfect for highlighting experiences that shape your current reality. Understanding these differences can really enhance your communication skills, making your conversations richer and more precise. So, next time you're sharing a story or reflecting on your experiences, think about which tense best conveys your message.